Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm doing brakes on this Lexus. I want to show you something, small but important, which should be used while doing the brake jobs. So you can see another rotor from the other side is going turned down. If you want to see details about this brake lathe, you can find it on this channel. I filmed it for you, but this time I want to speak about something small yet very important, and it's this CRC Disc brake quiet. Now, what is this? I'm pretty sure I learned about it when I was working for the Toyota, and I was a new tech, and I saw one of the master technicians using it for every single brake job they did. So the product is made by CRC, right? They do a lot of automotive stuff, and it's called the Disc Brake Quiet, and it says stops, brakes, squeals and squeaks. So let's go and see on these new brake pads how it's being used. And I have still the other side not done. So these are Toyota Lexus brake pads, right? Brand new as it came. If you see the detail, they came without those steel plates. So they obviously say I need to transfer that. This product is not going to be applied here to make it quiet, right? That will not make sense. That will completely destroy the function of the brake pads, but it's for quieting only. So it's basically for here. So they say apply it, on the back side in the thin layer. Come on, baby. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So that's probably enough for me, right? And I will spread it around, create the thin layer of this material. And if you follow the instructions, you will let 10 minutes to dry until it becomes tacky. While it's drying, I will remove this hardware from the old pads, right? Which should be relatively easy if it's not really stuck badly. Let's see. You see it popped off. Here is the detail. You can see they had it applied there too, right? Here are the remainings of it. So this goes back. Now I will perfectly clean this and prepare it, right, for installation on those new pads. After this is clean enough for me, right? There's still some remaining, but it doesn't want to go off. I'm ready to just pop it on, right? And these pads, or that pad, is ready for installation. I will do the same with this one. This side was already done, and you can see when the caliper squeezed it, it squeezed a little bit out. In this amount it doesn't matter. I still can go ahead and try to wipe it off, but that's not a problem. So these brakes, definitely, I know I did as much as I could for this owner, right? You see the rotor beautifully resurfaced on the brake light. All the brake stuff, the hardware is lubricated, right? Right here where it's sliding, I always use this synthetic grease, right? It's a high temperature brake special grease, which makes all these pads and all that hardware sliding correctly for a long time. What do you use? If you use that CRC or maybe some different product on your brake jobs. Well, thank you for watching, and be subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.